So customer deadlines are very, very important in our business. They're, like I mentioned earlier, one of the most important things to a lot of our customers is us meeting their needs. We have a planning group who receives orders as they come into the system, and their main objective is to get the order planned and get a date back to the customer so that they know as quickly as possible when we're going to be able to produce and ship the product. The way the planning team functions is they take the order into the system and they evaluate the date that the customer has asked for. We always target the customer's request date before we target lead time, so that if we have a chance of meeting that date, even if it is inside of our lead time, we do so. So the planning team works first off customer request date, and then they drop back to lead time if they're not able to meet their customer's request date. And our target is always to meet one of those two items.
Every group in our order fulfillment team, which include warehouse, production, and shipping, they actually have customized utilities and tools that they use on a daily basis for priority purpose. Their tools will identify orders they need to work on. One of the great benefits we have at CCS is the fact that we are capable of breaking down orders into lines and provide them with unique manufacturing order numbers. This way you can handle every order separately and ship it at a different time and treat it differently per customer requirement. After a product is inspected, it moves out of production to shipping. And this is where the final touch-up is done as far as finishing the product and get it ready for shipment. Our shipping abilities, actually we provide custom packaging. We can do custom crating, custom foam. We actually are compliant with all 50 states of the US, and if there is any new requirements or compliance needed as far as packaging and shipping, we have a whole compliance team ready to help us get all the proper paperwork and material used to package and ship our products.
Well, our customers value our compliance efforts for a couple of different reasons. No matter if our customers are here domestic within the US or in an international location, more and more they're finding themselves trying to meet some sort of regulatory compliance requirement. CCS has several years of experience working with dozens of regulatory requirements, whether it's safety, electromagnetic compatibility, or environmental regulations. We've worked with regulatory authorities, test labs, for a variety of different products, basically to make sure that no matter what we're building our customer, that it meets not only their technical specs, their technical expectations, but also it meets all regulatory requirements so that they can actually use this product within the countries and regions that they're expecting to be able to use the product. CCS products can be found in over 70 countries around the world, and typically around 40% of our products are ultimately exported, whether that's CCS directly exporting to a customer or one of CCS's domestic customers then turning around and exporting to one of their customers. So we have a lot of experience working kind of the export compliance documentation piece of that as well, which I really feel like is an asset for CCS to our customers.